Hi everyone, welcome to this beginner friendly guide on how to set up payments in Shopify, and it will be a complete step by step breakdown video using the 2025 interface. So if you are starting your Shopify store, setting up payment is one of the most important step. Whether you want to accept credit cards, PayPal or local payment option, I will show you how to connect it all. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before that, you just need to understand what payment option does Shopify support. So here we can see that Shopify offers several ways to accept payments like Shopify payments for credit debit cards, no third party fees, then PayPal, manual payments like cash on delivery, then third party gateways like Stripe to checkout or Payoneer. Then another one is digital wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay and Meta Pay. So let's get through enabling the most common ones. So here you just need to be create an account on your Shopify. If you're new, you just need to be click over here, or if you have an existing account or existing website, then you just need to be click onto this login. Once you click over here, then you are allowed to land it into the dashboard. So here you can see this is the dashboard we have. So here you can see less than a day left in our trial. So it will be end in today. So it is 25 June today. So if I want to access Shopify payment setting, how I could do it? So you just need to go to the Shopify admin dashboard. This is the admin dashboard we are landed right now. So you just need to be click on setting. Once I click over to the setting, then it will redirect us to in a new tab where you will get a couple of options in the bottom left corner. Here you can see it. This is the options we have. So from that place, you just need to be select the payments. Here you can see next to the user we have these payments in the top. Just click or select this one. Once you select this one, then you will get this kind of an interface in here, the sections. So here you will see available payment providers and setup option. This is your control center for everything related to how customer will pay you. Then we will shift to the next step, that is set up Shopify payment. So if you are in a country where Shopify payment is available, then you will get this option, Shopify payments. Here you can see that our billing address is from, let me show you. Let's click onto the general. Here you can see that our system, okay, here you can see that is our billing address. That's why it means we are operating our Shopify store from United States. That's why we have this Shopify payments options. If you want to know further more about the Shopify payments, you just need to be search here. Let's copy the payments, or you could, let's search for Shopify payments support, and let's hit enter, and here you will get the options, and you will eventually see that which country support this one. Let's click to the payments, and here you will eventually get that in the sections of if you're getting paid and couple of things. You just need to be read all the things properly, then you will understand which one is available in your region. So here you just need to be activate your Shopify payments, like click complete account setting. This is the complete account setting, activate Shopify payment. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then it will tell you to complete the account setup. So you just need to be enter your details. It could be your information about your business, then authorized perspective, like it could be name, address, type, like business type, then banking info for payouts, then tax ID or personal infos varies by regions. Then you just need to be click to the submit details. If you click over here, then here you can see that they will ask for these things. So you just need to be follow this procedure one by one. Once you found out, like you fulfill all the requirement, they will approve you. Once you approve, you can start accepting Visa, MasterCard, Amex and many more with no third-party transactions fee. Then here in the next you will see that we have another section, that is additional payment methods, that are available with one of Shopify's approved payment providers. So here you can easily connect your PayPal. PayPal is automatically added when you created your Shopify store, but it's not activated yet. In the payment section, you just need to go to these options, then click on to the activate. Just click to the payment again, then you just need to click to this activate payment. Once you click over here, you just need to log into your PayPal business account, then you just need to grant your permission and connect it to your Shopify. Always use PayPal Express checkout for faster and trusted payment experience if you are using PayPal on your Shopify. Always remember it. Then into the next step, we are going to talk about that enable manual payment method. It is optional. Like if you want to offer offline payment options like cash on delivery or bank deposit, then you just need to be scroll down to manual payment methods here. Into the next to this one, this is the manual payment method. Payments made outside your online store, orders paid manually must be approved before being fulfilled. So here you just need to be click to the manual add payment method. Just click over here and choose whatever you want. Like here we have cash on delivery, then create custom payment method, bank deposit and money order. So you just need to be choose from the list or create custom one, then enter instruction for your customer. As you can see, we already created one of them, that is cash on delivery, COD. So for example, we choose this one. These are useful if you sell locally or in person, then you could use this one. Then we are going to talk about third-party payment gateways. If Shopify payment is not available in your country, you can use Stripe, to checkout, Pioneer, etc. In the payment section, you just need to be click over here add payment method. Just click over here, and here you can see that we can search by payment method. Like let's search for UPI, and here you can see that our payment provider already got. This is our payment method would be. If you want to search anything like the provider, you could do it also. Let's search for to checkout, and here you can see that we are getting couple of on that to advance and many more we have. So here you will easily activate those and follow the step provider by the provider. So it is really easy. Then you just need to provide your required API key or credential, then it will be activated or connected with your Shopify store. And always check fees and supported currencies before choosing your third-party gateways. This is the main thing. Then once you find out that your all work has been done and your payment setup has been completed, now the turn is to test your payment setup. To make sure everything works, you just need to go to the setting, then payments again, and enable test mode if using Shopify payments. If you are not using Shopify payments, then you don't get this kind of features. Then you just need to use test card numbers to stimulate a purchase. If you are alive, then make a real test order with a low price item. Check that the payment is received. Verify that the fund appear in your connected account. This is the simplest process to test your work. So let me give you a bonus, that is enable accredited checkout. Like Shopify also lets you enable Apple Pay, Google Pay and Shop Pay. This is speed up checkout for returning customers. You will find them in Shopify payments. Then click on manage. This is for Shopify payments. Then you just need to toggle on the ons you want to offer. This can seriously improve your conversion rate. So I hope you understand. So let's wrap up the video here. If you think that you now know exactly how to set up payments on Shopify in 2025, whether you are using Shopify payments or other third-party payment gateway, then the credit goes to me. So if you found this helpful, give this video a like, drop your questions in the comment below. I will try my best to give you all the answers. Thanks for watching. Happy selling.